Hey guys, I'm trying to make a barbecue, so make sure your coals are really hot before you put your chicken on. This is like another way of lighting the coal. Oh god, this is the best way I can put the camera. Look, this is oil, so you can do that. Right, the way I lit my coal is I've got a kitchen towel. I put vegetable oil or olive oil on it. I drenched it, not too much, just a bit. Put the coal on top, and then I lit all four corners, and then it just starts burning. That's the easiest way. By the way, I made this. This is called a chulla in my language. I made this a few days back, but the thing is, I rushed it. Didn't really think about how I'm gonna make it. I just didn't plan it. Just sat there in the cold, got the bricks, and yammed it all together. Just to show you, this is what I'm gonna be making. Yeah. Tandoori chicken. It's got salt, pepper, obviously oil, paprika, and lemon.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बारबेक्यू तंदूरी चिकन बना रहे हैं। यम्मी यम्मी। ये हमने मसाला लगा के पहले रखा था रात को, अच्छी था मैरिनेट हो। It's gonna be.
We marinated it last night, 24 hours.
Yeah.
So we put oil, and then salt, pepper, lemon,
And little bit oil. Smoked paprika.
smoked paprika.
Yeah.
Right, each side needs about maybe 20 minutes to 25 minutes realistically, because depending on the size of your chicken legs, and yeah. Guys, I'm gonna show you Desi style, yeah, with this. Yeah, you do this, yeah. You keep it a bit of thing, so it brings the heat out. This is actually, everyone does this. Even Europeans do it as well with their cardboard. Just to show you the chicken. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's what you call perfect. Yeah, and this is our garden. Yeah. There's my cat. I've got 3 cats. I've got Persian cats. Hello, good girl. Got one there. I've got another one here. Show you. Look at that, man. Yeah. Piping hot down there. Oh, so hot. Yeah, right now, if you look, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, look at that. It's delicious down there. Oh, it's so hot, honestly. That is so hot. Oh, back.
About 50 minutes at 15 to 50. So we're gonna leave about another 15 minutes.
Guys, look. Yeah, you see that, yeah? Yeah, that's what it's all about. Right guys, I'm gonna give him a little turn. Yeah, again. So I get all the bits that are red, the blood. See something like this. You see that blood there? And the rest is cooked. With it.
So we're gonna turn now and check, you know, if it's cooked, it's cooked properly. Yeah, it's cooked now properly.
How long has it been on there?
About 20 minutes each side. Yeah, it's
So about
really
40
nice
minutes?
now. Yeah, 40 minutes altogether. 40 minutes you have to. 20 minutes each side. So it's ready now to eat. Mashallah, mashallah. Very good color.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the thing now.
We're gonna put in hot pot. Yeah. So with the chutney, yummy, yummy chutney, we're gonna eat this.
Alright guys, look. Look at that. Nice and crispy. Alright, thank you.